It's early morning, 7 a.m. right now. It's early morning for me. Trying to get the workout done. Today it's quite a big day. There'll be a lot of things to be done. So let's get started. It was a good workout today. Sweating like anything. I need to get back to the routine now. It's high time. Lockdown release agide. I hope there will be no lockdown again. I hope things will be fine with everyone, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Namaskara, welcome, Sat Sri Akal. This is Raghavendra here, and you're watching Man of My Soul. It's just amazing feeling when you work out, isn't it? Let me get freshen up, come back, and as I said, there's a lot of things to be done. Okay, so at last I got this Rode TRRS to TRS adapter. Let's see if this will help me out, because so this is the GoPro Hero 9 and this has a media mod installed. I wanted to purchase the mic adapter which works for all the GoPros, but I heard that it will not work for GoPro Hero 9. So I thought, let's not go for it and let's just go for a media mod which will always cover this particular whole GoPro even in the rainy situation. And also one port sigate. So this port will help us so that we can directly connect to our microphone and attach it to our helmet and good to go. But one thing the problem antandre, I ordered a mic from something called as Moya. So this is the one I got. So this is from Mono, I don't know. So ಇದನ್ನು order ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. This TRS adapter, I don't know if it is working or if it is not working, but when I plug into my GoPro, it just goes dead. It will not work. I don't know why. So ತುಂಬಾ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ investigation ಮಾಡಿದೆ, and then later on I thought, let me go and order this. It's quite expensive. I got it for around $900. Let me try it out. Okay, this is it. It's almost going dead. ನನ್ನ camera battery, I don't know when it will get switched off. ನನ್ನ GoPro battery no dead agide. So let me go and charge and replace and then come back. All right guys, after a long time one small ride go hogta idini ashte, just to see how it works, whether I will be able to make a moto vlogs from now. ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆಗಲೇ 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆದರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಫುಲ್ ಮೋಡ ಬಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಸೋಲೋ ರೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು Bengaluru and I made a vlog. So that was my first moto vlog actually. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. It's all green, man. It's all green today. I also want to take one drone footage for one of the ad. So let me see. Actively moto vlog. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಗುರು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ನ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ? ಮೈ ಗುಡ್ನೆಸ್. ಇದು ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಆಶ್ರಮ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಬುಲ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ರೋಡ್. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ people from this place do give a heads up in the comment section. maybe jana ira kade mata harisbardu. That is what you got to do first thing. If you're doing that, you will be in a problem, so never do that. Okay, so this looks good. Let me see. This will be fine.
Look in your eyes, I can see a life together. Standing by you, and I think I want to forever. And after all that's come and gone through all the years, I can't believe the moment's finally here. And you never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for, so much more, standing right in front of me.
Alright, so it is successful. So at last I was able to figure out the way to get my GoPro Hero 9 working for Moto vlog. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tricky ಆಗಿತ್ತು, but it was not that difficult actually. But then actually ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು that was actually making me step back. This is the adapter which came in, so it's not working at all. It's a brand new. ಇದೇನಾದರೂ ನಾನು ರೈಡಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಐ ಗೆಸ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ I don't recommend this. I've used this particular extension actually. This extension helps to take your GoPro a little bit further and make adjustment whenever you're riding or something, because I did the same thing while I was riding today. So I did try to change the angles and get the proper shot actually. So this is how I've done. So this is my SMK helmet actually. This I bought while I was going for a solo ride to Chikmagaluru. I'll leave the link again. And so this is the helmet. This is an amazing helmet, but the problem is it's heavy. But I'm thinking about searching for some lightweight options. So let me see if you guys can recommend me some of the helmets, that would be great. And also what you see behind me is all new setup. There's still some stuff which is gonna go in now and see how it looks. And also ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ, so that I can start my new series of FCPX tutorials. It's going to be back. So I hope you guys enjoy this particular vlog for whatever reason. Thank you very much for watching. Talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.